Hi guys, I'm back with another review video on hair straightener, and today I'm going to be reviewing Nova NHS870 hair straightener. And guys, I must say this is one of the most affordable hair straightener, and it is priced at 599 rupees on Flipkart, and it has like more than 40,000 ratings on Flipkart, and it was rated 4-star on Flipkart. So this is something that excites me to buy this hair straightener and share my thoughts and review about it. Nova is a really popular brand known for its affordable and wide range of electronic products about their hair straightener, curling irons, many more things like a trimmer, etc. So there are so many other hair straighteners from Nova which was priced at 599 rupees, and although the straightener do had the similar feature like this one, so it was really confusing for me to which one I should go for, and finally I picked 3 of them. So guys, this is how the packaging looks, and this is the model number NHS870. All the functions of the hair straightener is mentioned on the side of the cardboard packaging, and this says that hair straightener kinds of get heated within 30 seconds. It's a fast ready straightener, and the maximum heat of this hair straightener is 220 degrees Celsius. It comes with the nano silver technology. This hair straightener also comes with the temperature control feature, and the plates of this hair straightener is ceramic coated and long coat. So that's all about the packaging part. So this is the actual hair straightener, and it's the model number NHS870. It comes in a dual tone color in the combination of black and red, and the actual plate of hair straightener is ceramic coated, and it comes in a wide plate. It's not sleek plate, it's a wide plate. The plate will remain always open, you cannot lock this. So yeah, this is how the straightener looks. So you can adjust the temperature as per your convenience from 160 to 180 to 200 and 220. So the feature is kind of really nice. You can adjust the temperature, and it comes with a really long cord, and the top part of the hair straightener comes with the extended dip, which is very useful during the straightening process. You can hold this nicely and you can straighten the hair. Things which I didn't like much about this hair straightener. First thing is the appearance wise, the hair straightener feels plasticky. It doesn't feel very premium. The handle part of the hair straightener is kind of painted with glossy red color. It's not that solid feeling, like the paint might go after some time, or as the straightener goes older, you might get a lot of scratches after some times on these part. So this is something I didn't like. And guys, the straightener doesn't comes with the movable cord, which means it's not that convenient for me to work during the straightening process. The power supply plug of this hair straightener is very thin, so it doesn't fit to the switchboard perfectly, and it kinds of get loosened during the straightening process. Yeah, that's difficult to handle. There is no any button in the hair straightener from which you can directly switch on and switch off this hair straightener. You have to switch it on and switch it off from the switchboard itself. There is only one button to operate the temperature. You cannot see, I have already straightened my hair with the help of NHS870 hair straightener, and the hair quite straight. It looks nice, soft and silky, all good things. But the thing is, it took about 1 hour 25 minutes to do the complete hair straightening. If you use this hair straightener continuously for 5 minutes, then the plates of the straightener doesn't produce that much heat. The heat is not maintained constantly, due to which it takes a lot of time to straighten your hair. I had to run the straightener again and again because there was not that proper heat so that it can straighten my hair. I am already using other hair straighteners from the brand Philips, Iconic, Glam and Syska hair straightener. So those hair straightener performance is really well, like they straighten my hair within 40 minutes and less than an hour. But with this hair straightener, it took about 1 hour 20 minutes, which is like really long time. And other than that, if your hair texture is like semi straight, or you have thin like a semi silky kind of hair, then you can use this straightener for achieving a frizz free hair, or you can do some touch up for the hair straightening. But for pin like straightening, you have to keep a lot of patience, you have to put a lot of effort and lot of time, I must say. You can go with some other hair straightener for the same price. You can go with Syska hair straightener. I have already done a review on Syska Glam hair straightener HS6810 model number, and that hair straightener is really better in comparison with Nova hair straightener. If your budget is within 600 to 700 rupees, that hair straightener comes with maximum heat of 230 degrees Celsius. Yeah, but the heat is fixed at 230. You cannot adjust the heat of Syska hair straightener. You have to work always on 230 degrees Celsius. The straightener comes with sleek and long ceramic coated plate, which means you can use that hair straightener for straightening and curling purpose. Both the thing, it works really well. The straightener also comes with a plate lock and unlock feature. You can lock the plate of Syska hair straightener, and it's easily travel friendly. The body of the straightener is also feels solid and premium and comes with 2 years of warranty. The cord of the hair straightener is movable in Syska, and that's also priced at 699 rupees. So I must say that that is a better hair straightener in comparison with the Nova hair straightener. Only thing is that Nova hair straightener comes with the temperature control feature, but still, according to my opinion, it's not that useful, because at the maximum heat itself we are not able to straighten the hair quickly. So I don't think this feature is worth. So you can go with the better hair straightener for this price. You can go with the Syska HS6810 hair straightener, and if you wanted to know a lot more about that hair straightener, you can check out my previous video. I have already done a review video and straightening and curling with that hair straightener, so that will give you some idea. And currently I am using other two hair straightener from Nova. All are priced almost same, and these hair straighteners are the model number NHS901 and NHS902, NHS870. So these are the three hair straightener currently I am using from Nova, and most of us get confused in between all of these hair straightener. So I have already done a comparison between all of these three hair straighteners, so you can check out that video as well. I have reviewed all of these hair straighteners separately, so you can check the reviews also of all these three hair straighteners. And guys, that's all about this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and I hope there is no confusion going on. If you still have any queries related to Nova hair straightener, you can leave your comment down below, and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with lot more interesting and helpful videos related to the hair straightener, curling irons and makeup tutorials and many more stuff. You can also follow me on my Instagram so that we all can stay connected all the time. I will see you all very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.